Hello, this is Andrew Thake from Minds and Money TV. And today I have with me Scott Eldridge, CEO of Canagold Resources. Great to go and talk to you, Scott.
Yeah, pleasure to be here, and thank you for having me today, Andrew.
Hey, sure, great stuff. Well, perhaps you can start off by telling our viewers a little bit about Canagold Resources.
Right, so we're a Canadian-focused company with exploration and development stage gold projects. And our focus is our 100% owned flagship asset, which is located in British Columbia. It's called New Polaris, and it's a high-grade, past-producing gold mine. It does have about 1 million ounce resource on it today that has very robust economics based on a preliminary economic assessment at $1,500 gold. And our plans for this spring and summer are to move the project forward. That will include a significant drill program, and that will lead us into a feasibility study, Andrew.
Okay, and obviously there's a lot of gold companies out there. What would you say sets Canagold apart from your other sort of peers within the space? Why should people look to invest in you?
Well, that's a good question, and I would say there's a number of reasons that you can explain that would set us apart from what you would consider our peers. I would start off at the project level with the grade. So our 1 million ounce resource has a grade of about 10.3 grams per ton. And to put that into perspective, the industry average, which is obviously skewed towards larger open pit mines, is about 1.35 grams per ton. So we're clearly higher than the industry average, about 7.5 times higher. And that is definitely one of the main items that sets us apart from other companies. In addition to that, I would say we're in one of the top mining jurisdictions in the world here in British Columbia, Canada. And we've also got, for a small company, a very experienced board and management team to move this project forward.
Mm-hmm. So looking ahead to the next sort of like 12 months, what are the opportunities that you see there, and how is Canagold Resources positioned to go and take advantage of them?
As of now, we're fully financed to commence a very significant drill program, about 24,000 meters. So we will be mobilizing 2 drills to the project in about 2 weeks from now. Give it another week to do all the necessary preparatory work, and then we will commence drilling. That program will consist of about 47 holes. The main purpose of the program is infill drilling. So as I previously mentioned, we do have a PEA on the project where about half our tonnage and half our ounces are inferred, and the other half is in the indicated category. We need to infill drill the inferred to move it up to measured or indicated to then be eligible to become proven and probable reserves once we dive into a feasibility study. So this spring and this summer, we'll be very busy drilling on the project. In addition to infill drilling, we also do have planned some deeper exploration holes that would hopefully give us an opportunity to demonstrate to the market that this project is not 1 million ounces, it's bigger than that. And this is a mesothermal gold vein system. It's very similar geology to what you might see in the Red Lake camp of Ontario, or similar to some gold mines in Australia. Mm-hmm. And the differentiating factor between us and that peer group of mesothermal gold mines is that our resource is very shallow. It only goes about 600 meters below the depth of the surface. And similar system types in other parts of the world can go for 2 or 3 or 4 times this depth. So we're fairly optimistic, and the drill bit will be the truth barometer to see, what is the potential size of this project. So in addition to the infill drilling, we'll also be poking some deeper holes to test the project down dip at depth, Andrew.
Sure. So can you also just tell us a little bit about your investor base?
Yes, Andrew. So we've got a good mix of institutional, retail, high net worth individuals as a part of our shareholder roster. So the most notable names that people would recognize are Eric Sprott. He personally owns 10% of the company. Also, the Ruffer Gold Fund from London, England is a significant shareholder as well. We have a few high net worth individuals out of the US that own big pieces of the company, and also our chairman is a significant holder. And you know, those investors collectively, they have their own reasons to own any particular company. But as a generality, I would say that they're all attracted to the grade and the robustness of our project.
Sure. Well, yeah, and certainly like any sort of project that's backed by Eric's Broad is definitely going to attract a lot of institutional investors. So I'm sure that times ahead are looking really, really great for Canagold Resources. So just like to go and thank you for your time, Scott. And that was Scott Eldridge, CEO of Canagold Resources, with Andrew Thake from Mines and Money TV.
Thank you, Andrew.